YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well out there. Hope you guys are doing good. Hey, we're putting some new wheels on my MR-2 SPYDER. So, I can't wait for you guys to see them. But first, we need to wash the MR-2. It's pretty dirty. During the summer or spring months, we get a lot of pollen. And the MR-2, I took the car cover off. I should have left it back on. But there's a ton of pollen on it. It's really dirty, especially since I've been working on it recently. I want to make it look clean. So we're going to wash it real quick and then install the new wheels. I'm really excited. It should take me like 15 minutes to install the new wheels, pretty quick. And then we'll go do some circles with the new wheels on it, and you guys can be able to see what it looks like. I'm really excited. I already know what wheels they are going on it, and you guys might know if you've been watching my channel diligently. But these are gonna look really awesome on the MR-2. Bolt pattern, 4x100 is what the bolt pattern is for 2000-2005 MR-2 SPYDERs. Believe it or not, the later versions, they can come in chrome. You can get chrome wheels, and they were staggered. What does that mean? It means that one size is different than the other size. So in the rear, they were 16 inches, and in the front, they were 15 inches. And I believe that the OEM ones were just 15 inches all around on the first year, but I'm pretty sure you get chrome ones on the first year. These are gonna look really good. They are staggered 17 and 16. So 16 on the front, and then 17 on the rear. So let's go ahead and grab the MR-2 and let's... So as you guys can see, there's some kind of dust and dirt on there. This is my baby. And you know, I just got it freshly painted, even on the windshield. This is kind of dirty. I took it on that long drive. There's some bugs on there. And then look how dirty this is. And then especially back here. Yeah, oh, that's gnarly. But you can still see me. What's up, guys? Let's see here. Can you see me? Yeah, there we are. It's still shiny. The paint's still brand new. Looks good. We'll be putting these new wheels on, and then soon I will be installing the new center exhaust really soon. But first and foremost, let's wash this beautiful. Alright, so Black Magic Wet Shine. This is the soap that we're going to be using on this freshly painted MR-2. Let's go ahead and get my car all soaped up. My favorite look. Let's jump into it. If you want that nice shine, swing by MITCHDORE.COMHOW and grab one of these microfibers. Those are sick. Look at those. So I'm gonna dry the car real quick right now and get a nice shine on it, and then we're gonna slap on those new wheels, and I'll go do a drive and show you guys the new wheels for the MR-2. All right, the deuce is freshly washed. I want you guys to take it in and look at the LOTUS ELISE touring package that have been powder coated black. Take those in, look at those, because we're gonna go ahead and start installing the new wheels and tires on this car. So let's take a look at those, and then I want you guys to comment down below if you like the black with the black and the red, or if you're gonna like these new setup that I have. So comment down below after we get this done. I want you guys to tell me which one you think looks better. Okay, so we have washed the car. It's a day later. Jump forward one day. So we've washed the car. We're gonna go over and look at the new wheels, and I'll give you a hint. This is the car that's in the background. Let's go look at them. All right, there they are. Those are the new wheels. So what are those? Those are LOTUS ELISE Sport Suspension. So LSS wheels, LOTUS Sport Suspension wheels. They actually come on, you can get them on ELISEs, I believe, that are supercharged or just have the sport suspension on them. They come with the LOTUS EXIGEs. You can get them on EXIGEs. They're really nice. I love them a lot. They are actually lighter than these ones. So these wheels that I currently have on the car, which I think look really good, are the touring package. These are the sport package, touring sport. So this is what we're gonna be jacking up the car real quick, and we're gonna pop these off and then install the new ones and then go for a drive and look at them. So these are the new wheels. I just wanted to say I'm so thankful for this thing. I love this. This is my Craftsman air compressor with my Craftsman impact gun. I love this. Like, I dreamed of this tiny little setup forever. I always had to do everything with hand wrenches, and now that I have this, I'm just very blessed, and I'm thankful that I have the ability to get this. Oh, I love this thing. I highly recommend one of these. Let's use this to go buzz off the wheels. So I just want to say, these wheels, they must have like less than 5,000 miles on them, because the original owner of my Lotus took these off and replaced them with the wheels that I have currently on my car. So he replaced those with like really quick, within like nearly immediately, probably after you got the car, I'd assume, and started tracking with those. So the ones I have on the car are like no miles. That being said, the wheels are in perfect condition, but these tires kind of have like this dirty grunge on them because they sat so long, to be honest. I think they put like tire shine on them, they just got gross and dirty. But let's use that Craftsman air compressor tool impact and just buzz off those off real quick and install the new wheels.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
All right, so let's let it all out right now. It's a pretty tight fit, but I've ran these tires on here before. Oh, yeah, I think it's touching. Oh, it's not, but I'm totally gonna get wheel whip. The tire needs air, so let's fill some tire up in it. Maybe it won't be as close. Those are 50 profiles, and I'm running 45 profiles. Okay, so there is going to be the final product. Now, why is that going to be the final product? Well, because these 50 profiles. So these are 195s. On here, what I have is 195. So I have 195, 50, and then 16s. That's what I have on here. So I raised the tire pressure up to 40. As you guys can see, it's not sitting on the tire anymore, but it's not going to be drivable. This is just, it's too tight. If I were to turn the wheel this way, it would snap on my fender. So I don't want to do that. So brand new paint, we're not going to do that. It looks awesome though. That looks crazy. So what we're going to do now is comment down below if you guys think I should go buy new tires for this. That looks pretty crazy. So my goal was for this video to go drive around with these, but unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to go drive around. Why? Because that's gonna rub. But I wanted to get the rolling shot to see what it looked like. They look pretty cool. I could powder coat them. I could put them on the Lotus. I could do a lot of things with them. They're much lighter. They're much lighter than the touring package. Actually, believe it or not, I can feel the difference. But I would need to get new tires for them. And besides, these are their original tires, I think. Are these 888s or what are these? These are Advans. Yeah, these are 888s. Or what are they? Advan 40. I can buy new tires and we can roll these, but I want your opinion down below. What should I do? What should I do with this? Should I buy new tires? Should I rock these? Do you guys like that? Do you like that look with the silver? I think that looks pretty good actually, to be honest. I mean, at least for maybe like the summer, I'll do it. Yeah, but comment down below. These are really cool wheels. I like them. I'll do a quick cinematic here, but I need your help. So first off, hit the like button if you guys like these, and if you don't like them, hit the like button for me. But what we need to make sure is like, hey, is this gonna be a good look, or should I go back to the black? I know I like black and red on everything, but maybe this would be a cool change up. These are really, really cool wheels. I could do the center caps black, maybe that look good instead of yellow. Maybe that's the thing that's throwing it off. But I think it looks really cool. It kind of makes the car look dorky. It's hard to tell, I don't know. But these are the new wheels that I think I'm gonna put on the car. If I do keep them on, I will powder coat them either gloss black or semi-gloss black. I don't think I'll do a matte black. That might be cool. But comment down below some ideas that you guys might have. I'll do this edit. Make sure to hit the like button, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. We will be working on the Lotus. I got a new battery for the Lotus. So we'll be working on the Lotus, and I'll explain to you guys what's going on with the Lotus. So I'll see you on the next video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and I'll see you next video.